To beat the YouTube algorithm in 2022, epidemic sound. The YouTube algorithm matches viewers to videos, ensuring content is served to the right people. But what is the YouTube algorithm? Have there been any updates in 2022, and how can you beat it? That's the YouTube algorithm explained in a nutshell. What is wrong with the YouTube algorithm? If people aren't sticking around to watch your content, you'll struggle to get noticed. What's the latest YouTube algorithm update? Engagement. Metadata. How to beat the YouTube algorithm. Use YouTube SEO. Consistency is key. Keep engagement high. The YouTube algorithm works on more than just clicks. It measures if the people clicking actually watch the video, and where they click beyond that. Create a killer thumbnail. It's got to be something that sells the content, but don't mislead people. You can make professional looking, creative thumbnails in programs like Canva. Use YouTube Analytics. Does the YouTube dislike button help the algorithm or not? How does the YouTube Shorts algorithm work? The YouTube Shorts algorithm works similarly to the regular YouTube algorithm, meaning that it aims to pair viewers with suitable videos. Whether you're an editing master or just a beginner, discover what Epidemic Sound has to offer on our Epidemic Sound for YouTube page.